In this lesson, we will understand the area and perimeter task and the steps to solve. Today's lesson is a compilation of both area and perimeter. As a review, perimeter is the distance around something. For instance, if I walked along the edge of a basketball court, the distance I walked would be the perimeter. Area is the size the surface takes up, which is measured in square units. Today we will be talking specifically about area and perimeter task. A task is a problem that allows students to work on a particular mathematical idea and gives the student an opportunity to develop and use a mathematical habit of mind. In the article written by the University of Cambridge titled, "What is a mathematically rich task?" it states, "Rich tasks open up mathematics. They transform the subject from a collection of memorized procedures and facts into a living, connected whole. Rich tasks allow the learner to get inside the mathematics. The resulting learning process is far more interesting, engaging, and powerful. It is also far more likely to lead to a lasting assimilation of the material for use in both further mathematical study and the wider context of applications." In this lesson, your student was given a similar math task. You have a new room with new carpet. The only furniture you have for now is a bed with a perimeter of 20 feet. Assuming you don't have to vacuum under your bed, how many square feet do you need to vacuum when you clean? I'm going to walk you through a possible way your student could solve this problem. The great part of math strategies is there are a variety of ways to come to an answer. First, we are given the perimeter of 20 feet for the bed. This is the distance around the bed. I then can brainstorm possible solutions for bed dimensions. If I make two sides 5 feet, that totals 10 feet. In order for the perimeter to equal 20 feet, the other sides would have to be 5 feet as well. Most beds aren't a square, so I am going to try other options. Another option is making the sides 6 feet and 4 feet. This will total 20 feet for the perimeter. I feel like this is a reasonable size bed and will use this measurement for the task. Each square will represent 1 square foot. In order to find square feet of the bed, I would multiply the length by the width. In this case, I would multiply 6 by 4 to total 24. The bed takes up 24 square feet. If I don't know my multiplication fact, I could then count the squares inside the rectangle of the bed. I noticed that this task didn't give me information about the size of the room. As long as I can justify my answer, I will be able to provide a meaningful answer to this task. I'm going to have to use some of my knowledge about rooms, specifically bedrooms. I know that my bedroom is bigger than my bed. I can walk on all 3 sides of my bed, and there is still room for a dresser and a little table. I'm going to draw an outline of a 10 by 10 square, putting the bed against the wall. Looking at the picture, I feel like this is enough room for a bedroom. The next step would be to find the total area of the bedroom. I could count all the squares, or a faster way would be to multiply 10 by 10 to total 100 square feet. The problem said we don't need to vacuum under the bed, so I will subtract the area of the bed from the area of the room to find out how many square feet I need to vacuum. 100 minus 24 will equal some number. I am going to think 24 plus this number will equal 100. I will show this on a number line. The distance between 24 and 100 will be the answer to 100 minus 24. I would take 7 jumps of 10 and 6 jumps of 1 to land on 100. The distance between 24 and 100 is 76. So 100 minus 24 equals 76. I would need to vacuum 76 square feet. Today, we looked at a task similar to the one your student was presented with at school about area and perimeter. We came up with one possible answer. Given the question, your student may come up with a different answer. As long as the student is able to justify their reasoning, they are correct. Drawing models to help the student visualize is very beneficial in this task. Today our objective was to understand the area and perimeter task and the steps to solve. We talked about the task, we broke the problem down into steps, and came to one possible solution.